Okay, question number 1. This problem, you're going to have to cross multiply. You take this number times that number. And then we're going to go b times 5 is 5b. Write down your equal sign, and then take, I'll use a different color so you can see it, 4 times 6 and get 24. Then we have a number next to a letter, which means we're going to have to divide them apart. So divide both sides by 5, divide both sides by 5. Those cancel, and we get b equals 24 over 5. Make that a little bit better. 24 over 5. You can put that in your calculator and get 24 divided by 5, and it'll be 4.8. So either one will work. Okay? Doing number 2 right now. Same as before. Cross multiply. 5 times x is 5x. Write the equal sign. 15 times 9. Go to your calculator. 15 times 9. Take a look at that over here. 15 times 9. That gives us 135. Look back over here. Put 135 right here. We have a number next to a letter. That means we have to divide it apart. So divide both sides by 5. That cancels out. We have x equals, just double check what 135 divided by 5 is. Put that in your calculator, and you get 27. Take over to the other side, and we get x equals 27. Same thing as before. Number 3, we're still going to cross multiply, but it's going to look a little different. I'm going to take 2, and then in parentheses, w plus 3. And then I'm going to take 4 times w and put that on the other side. Now we have a number next to parentheses, so we have to do the next step. Combine these two things. 2 times w is 2w. 2 times 3 is 6. And that equals 4w. Number with the letter, we have a wall. Remember the rule, we move the smaller one. So this is a positive 2w, so I want a minus 2w, not 2,4, 2w. And minus 2w to this side. Those guys cancel, and I get 6 equals 4 minus 2, 2w. Now we have a number next to a letter right here, so I have to divide them apart, which means I have to divide both sides by 2. I get 3 equals w, and again, rewrite with the number first. W equals 3. So we take a look at number 4. Cross multiply. 3 times 2 is 6. With the equal sign. And then we have x plus 1 times 1. That equals 1 on the outside. And then x plus 1. Because this is a 1, I really didn't have to write that there. It's invisible. So I could rewrite this as 6 equals x plus 1. Because 1 times x is x. 1 times 1 is 1. So I don't have to multiply it. I can just rewrite it without the 1 being there. Here's my letter, here's my wall. My rule is start with the x's and do what's next to it. What's next to it? Plus 1. So what's the opposite of plus 1? We need the minus 1 to both sides. And we have x left over here. So my final answer is x equals 5.